Yeah, peri frère. All thing in a year, all several in a year on 30 bed. All several in on 30 bed. And it's shake now, peri. Today, I can give you an idea today. I can give you some small technique. Yeah, how if you go me a sepas, see my sepa no, you cut. I will show now, and that's so have a goma. So stay tuned till this video finish. This video now for people where they are separate cut they find for goma. I will show now small technique. So stay tuned till this video finish. Yes, no go no side. You don't see this sepa no. You don't see and see this so. Yes, if you want gum the sepas, you look and find you see some small remaining gum there. So if you want gum the sepas, make sure you give a bit dry. May dry, yes, may no water no did. Yes, after you find one and sandpaper on a wait until you go scrape that gum. Then me I will use this screwing part. Yes, so I will brush the place. I'll try to save me some of the gum then come out. Yes. Scrape and sweet that remaining gum then come out. As you don't finish scrape and so yes, no come out, but at least you go try to remove my majority part of the gum then. The thing I say me just get some smoothness. Yes. Yes, but if you feel sandpaper may come out off, you come out the sandpaper. Yeah, I don't touch and soap. So they don't get that smoothness. Understand now? There are spark glue. Do one as spark glue. The name for this spark glue na super glue. I don't know how I see when I see the name. The name na super glue. If I rub and we use you press so that way come out. Drop and with the look at your eye, look at your eye. If you didn't touch your mouth, you know kiss level so the rest of your life. So protect your eye. And then I gum that I put on so this thing don't drop right from my surpass. Oh you look at your hand. Put the gum, no fear, no shake. Anything remember your hand, make sure you go wash your hand immediately. Yes, put that down. Mommy. Very gum not that. Still a tongue now. You want me to protect your hand, and my hand don't gum. Oh yeah, apple so. You want to go put water there. Aye. Where you do and so gum na the gum very badly. You put on 2 for years so. I'm here. No, this will be chicha. Hey, way. See, I already gone for floor. As you put on so, you put a hole on, and that put a hole on so. You put the other side. My hand is gone very bad. Yes. Put a hole on. Aye. No, like your hand will find something hold on. Of course, me I know which I will go move after because now my work. Understand now? Put a so leave on for some time. Yes, calas. Ooh. Now the sepa that. Ooh. Now the sepa that. Don't gum. I gum that for this so don't seal now. My chop now, we'll see you later. Make sure you subscribe, follow my page. Yes, go subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me for Instagram. Make sure you follow me too for the one.